How to use Clickup for content creation. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you an example on how we can use your Clickup space as a content creation management space. So we're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what I am going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen. From this left side of the screen, we're going basically to head over the spaces, which is going to be situated right there. I'm going to add a space, and this space is going to be a new one. First, let me check if I have more than 5 spaces. I have these spaces. I'm going to only delete one because on the free plan, it will give you only the chance to create 4 spaces or max 5 spaces. So I click on create space and we're going to have social media content creation, and we're going to have this as I'm going to copy this name, click on use template, and we're going to type in social media marketing agency. I do not need that. Basically content, let's type content hub. Let's check this account planner, your schedule, your content. I think that we need this one. I'm going to use this template. Maybe you're going to be asking why I have used a template instead of creating my own. The templates are going to be predefined, preset, and also pre-modified. So you can go ahead and have everything set up in one place without modifying or creating a thing into it. This is why I have typed the name from the beginning. So we are going to paste it here. For the import options, select import everything, and the dates we're going to let them as they are because we do not know basically what is going to be the most important thing here. So afterwards we can go and change the dates. Now, do you want to include archive text or tasks? No, I'm going to not have the archive text, and we're going to click on use template. We're going to wait for a few seconds. Here we have the custom task types. I think that this is the specific plan, so I'm going to delete maybe another one. Let's try and delete another one, and we're going to check again if we can go ahead and delete it. Basically, I'm going to have content. We're going to select this. Let's try and use this one again and see. So basically I cannot use it. Now let's say that we have added this part or the specific plan. Normally we're going to find social media tasks just like that. For example, maybe things like these. You're going to find a list, a board, and a calendar. So also the timeline. So you're going to find everything like that, such as the type of tasks like video production, audio production, content upload, the signees, due dates, priorities, sprints if needed, and everything. You can add columns. You can go ahead and add another task. For example, create, let's say, Instagram posts, and you can go ahead and add some more details right there. This is going to be the thing and how we can do that. Basically, set up a start and end date, time estimated, track time, and set up others. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.